In this video, we'll create an area mill toolpath to machine out this pocket here. Click on Toolpaths, hover over 2D High Speed, and choose Area Mill. Select OK to accept the default NC name. Ensure your machining region strategy is set to stay inside, and click on the Select button to select the machining region. Enable Construction Plane and Chain. Then select this chain at the bottom of the pocket here. Choose the OK button once complete, twice. Select a 3/4 inch flat end mill from the tool library. Then enter in the comment. Select the cut parameters and enable corner rounding. Remove the stock to leave on the walls and the floors of the part. Ensure that depth cuts are disabled. Select transitions and make your entry helix with a radius of 1/2 inch. Select the linking parameters and enable clearance with a height of absolute 1 inch. Set your depth to incremental 0. Then select the OK button to generate this toolpath. Then backplot and verify this toolpath. Once complete, close the simulator and toggle the toolpath display. Now we will also create another area mill to machine this bottom pocket here. With this operation selected, hold down the right mouse click button and drag it below. Select Copy After and move the insert arrow down below this operation. Select Geometry. Select Remove the chains. Then select the chains that you want to put on. Click on C-Plane and chain the bottom of the pocket here. Choose the OK button twice. Then enter the parameters of this toolpath. Select a 5/8 flat end mill from the tool library. Then change the comment. Select depth cuts and enable them. Specify a maximum rough step of 1/4 inch. Then select transitions. Change the entry method to a profile ramp. Change the preferred profile length to 0.75 inches. Then select the linking parameters. To change the top of stock, click on Top of Stock and click here, because that's the depth that we machined our previous area mill to. Then select Depth and choose the bottom of the pocket here. Select the OK button and click on Regenerate All Dirty Operations. Then select all of the operations, backplot, and verify them. Once complete, your part should appear as shown. Click on the X in the upper right-hand corner to exit the simulator.